Hey guys, welcome to the shop. So today we're going to be looking at a quick little upgrade to your Dremel. Now I've got a Dremel 4000 I've been using to carve and do detail work with for a little while. And I recently found what I'm calling an upgrade that makes it that much better if you're a carver or, honestly, whatever you're going to use it for. If you guys are interested in seeing that, be sure to stick around and show you what it's all about. All right, guys, so don't mind the shop. It's usually the same or worse, let's be honest. In the middle of building the table, but I got a little package in the mail. This is something I ordered off Amazon. I will have links down below in the description if you guys want to buy one. Buy through those links to help support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Anyway, the Dremel 4000, right? This is what I have. This is what I've been using. Now, I've had cheaper Dremels in the past that I really just was not happy with, and this Dremel, though, this 4000 has really done well. I use it for a lot of little detail stuff. I'll carve with the chainsaw, carve the eyes in with this, and do just detail work with my Saburrtooth burrs and, the Dremel. So anyway, the biggest problem that I have at the moment is my Dremel always strips out, you guys. Like right here on the collet, the collar, the collet, whatever the heck it is, always seems to strip out on me, and it doesn't really seem to matter. I think I threw it, but I used the wrench that came with the Dremel, and they always seem to strip, and it's frustrating because I can't get anything on there. So now I got to hit the lock, and I got to get on here, and use a pair of pliers or vice grips or something to get this thing undone. I mean, if you guys can see it, right, it is. Now it's all wore over, and it makes changing bits a pain in the butt. I've only got one Dremel. I got a lot of other tools, but I only have one Dremel. So I got searching around looking for new collets, and on collet, whatever. And I saw it on Amazon that they had these ones. Now this was a 2-pack. It was like $13.99 maybe. I had free shipping because I got Amazon Prime. But I was like, okay, no tool needed. Cool. So it's that simple. We twisted off the old one, right? I'm going to show you guys. And we pulled out the insert because we don't need it. This is the new one of two that came in this kit. If I could find it, I'll have the same one in the description below under Amazon link, okay? Plus the Dremel and some other things that I carve with. But it just twists right on. I'm holding the locking mechanism. It's unplugged. Twist it on. Put your burr in there or whatever you're going to be doing, little sander stuff, whatever. And you can do it by hand, like by hand. It's in, done. Let's plug this thing in and I'll just show you guys. It runs. It's not like off balancing or anything like that. I've done a couple little things with it so far. I really haven't had an issue, but there's really no wobble, everything seems balanced. Like, that's just pine, but still, I mean, it's in there tight. Let's see if we can undo it. And it comes undone. So as you can see right here, right? Twist, it tightens up, loosens up. This is great. Like, this is an awesome option. This is an upgrade. This is an upgrade. Quick and easy swap for those burrs, right? You're carving away. Whoop. Carving away. You need a different burr, guys. Right there. Boom. You don't even need a tool. Toolless changing, right? No tool. Your hand. You need a hand. You need 2 hands, okay? Hopefully you got 2 hands. I don't even think you need a full 10 fingers. I mean, we could probably do it with 6 fingers, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold it like this. 5 fingers, right? As long as you got a finger and a thumb on one hand and you got, some others on, we can make it. You guys get it. You get it. You know where I'm going with this. Anyway, quick little upgrade, guys, to your Dremel. I think it's worth it, to be honest. I really do. I was really excited. So, yeah, gonna get this video right out to you guys because that was just a great, quick little tip. Something to help you guys out carving. Something worth, spending a couple bucks on, upgrade that Dremel. Hope you guys are doing good though. Hope everybody's carving away, gripping and ripping and making some cool stuff. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Also, if you want to help support the channel directly, monthly, you guys can become a member. You can do that down in the description. It says join here, become a member. You can do that on the join tab on the main YouTube page that I've got, whatever that is on my main page. You guys know what I'm saying. Also, I've got gear, which I'm not wearing for some reason today. But I do. I've got a Kyle Hall Woodworker logo on some shirts and hoodies. You guys can check that out. Those purchases also help support the channel greatly. Appreciate it. And you know what? You guys don't have to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It is okay. It's always, you know, great for those of you that do those things. I seriously appreciate it. And for those of you that don't, well, you know what? The videos are still here for you to watch. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Check out a video popping up. And I'll see you guys next time.